Sit comfortably on your mat and bend your knees. You're sitting on your sitting bones, right? Feeling heavy down, and now you shift back. And by shifting back, so leaning more or less back, I want you to feel that somehow your belly folds back. By every exhalation, your belly goes more and more back. So you're getting very round in the lower back region, I feel. And you're kind of balancing here. So you bring your belly back, hip bones to each other, and lower the floating ribs in direction hip. So very round in the back for my feeling. Once you've done that and you feel comfortable like this, you start to inhale into the back and to widen your back and to breathe into your chest. So see what happens when you are here. After exhaling, breathe in along the spine, into the sides of your chest, and finally up to the clavicular bones. Then maybe you have already a feeling of something lifting up by itself, just observing your breath. You look to the front, you exhale. Exhaling is always bring the belly back. Remember, hip bones to each other and ribs moving down. So you want to keep that lower part very much closed. The belly really falls back and stays there. Maybe even falls more back when you inhale. You might want to take one leg out and lengthen that leg without changing the rest. Exhaling, belly goes down, closing from the front, and you inhale into the back and into the chest, and then you change legs. You take the other leg and lengthen that leg. And lengthening does not mean straight, so you really lengthen the leg. And then you come back again. And if that felt comfortable and you are up for more, then you take off the hands, place the hands next to you, and you bring one leg up. And then you do the other leg. You don't change the rest. And once again, if you need to rest in between, you do so. But resting here does not mean that you come back to zero. You're still feeling the belly falling back, back, back. So you're closing a lot in the front. And whenever you are ready, you can just try to bring again the hands next to you. And then you exhale. And then you inhale. Navasana. Bringing the hands next to the outer knee. Align the head. And then you come back. Relax. Yes, and like always, I hope that this way of mind practicing Paripurna Navasana gave you an idea to maybe try out in your own yoga practice. Let me know how you practice it. I think it's very important that we share, and I will be back again next week with more insights, and I hope you do the same. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will always be notified as soon as I publish a new content. And then I would say take care, stay safe, and bye for now.